5 minutes to showtime. It's when everything comes together. And it's not about the moment as such, it's about how you step into that moment. A culmination of all the hours you've put into it. Set up, prepared, rehearsed, walked your path, lost your way, but kept on going. A confluence of all the people that went before you, believed in you, inspire you. A magnitude of being who you are in the blink of an eye. A dreamer, a child, no matter how old you are. Always trying to find beauty and recreate it as a token of your soul. Meet Polly. And Polly is about to play one of her first club gigs as a singer-songwriter. She's done quite a bit of home studio work and she's been writing her own songs for quite a while, but she now wants to get out to where the real magic happens, in front of real people, in a live audience. Now Polly is on her own. She's fairly new, right at the start of her live music adventures. So she doesn't have a crew yet to rely on. She only has the club owner to give her a hand, and it's his club's PA system Polly will hook into. And as Polly has to deal with most of her gear herself, Evolution Wireless Digital comes in very handy. EWD is Sennheiser's next step in the evolutionary chain. It is very robust to ensure a long life on the road. It's very easy to use, and you can operate it with your smartphone or tablet using the Smart Assist app. Using the Smart Assist app, Polly literally has all the power to operate the system within the palm of her hand. Gain control, connection status, mute buttons, you name it. You can rename channels and assign colors to them to keep the system organized. There's a range and battery status, and a wizard that guides you through an optimized multi-channel setup. Yeah, the app makes it very simple indeed. Very nice feature, for instance, is the auto scan. It helps you to find the best frequencies to work on in no time for as many EWD wireless microphones you may need. Simply go to the dashboard and then open the menu and go for auto scan. There we go. It'll tell you what to do step by step. You just hit next and then we'll wait. Boop. Well, there you go. That's how simple it is. Done. By the way, in case you lost your phone or forgot to charge your tablet or you lost your tablet or whatever, you can always run the system by using the buttons on the receiver side. Now, while you operate the system, you'll come across several multicolored LED lights. Red, green, yellow, and blue. They're LED color codes. Green is good to go. Red means there is no link. And blinking red means the link is okay, but the battery is running low. Yellow means the mute button is active, and blinking yellow means the audio clips, but the link is okay. The color of blue tells you about data, about running the system, about firmware updates and the connection with the Smart Assist app on your smartphone or tablet. Yep, and thanks to the equidistant tuning grid, EWD is able to place 90 channels alongside of each other. 90, that's probably way more than you actually need, but it's the equidistant tuning grid that frees up so much space. It truly is a remarkable technology. And note that you don't even need to browse through predetermined banks and channels within these banks. No, EWD offers 90 channels, clean-cut and ready for you to work with. It's all pretty self-explanatory, but in case you need more information or help, you could always go to the support hub in your app. You'll find videos and manuals, tutorials, tips and tricks how to get the best out of your EWD system. Okay. If it wasn't for its ruggedness, its ease of use and stability, Poly would choose EWD for its outstanding sound quality.
Something's up in the air, and I don't know what it is. My heart is going boom, boom, ch. My heart is going boom, boom, ch.
EWD is digital when it comes to picking up the sound and operating the system. But when it comes to transmitting its clean-cut audio signal, it uses the reliability and stability of a UHF connection.
My heart is going boom, boom, ch. My heart is going boom, boom, ch.
If you want more technical information on how EWD works and why it works like that, please check our introductory film. You'll find everything you need to know. For now, good luck. And if you go out there on stage to play like Polly does, please free your mind. Please do not worry about the technical side and enjoy the ride.
Hello.
Evolution Wireless Digital, evolving with you.
And I don't know what it is. My heart is going boom, boom, ch. My heart is going boom.